What's up, Boober Tubers? Snifty Dugan here. Today we're going to go check out, we're going to do a muffler review. We're going to go check out an ultra limited low and see what that sounds like. It's got a Woods WM8-22XE cam and S&S Grand Nationals. So we're going to go check that out and see what the decibel rating is on that. But before that, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, help a sucker out. We'll be right back after this. Muffler review time. Did you ever see Portnoy?
Oh, yes, yes.
El Presidente?
Yes.
The pizza review?
Yes, yes.
Muffler review time. So today we got 2017 Ultra Limited Low. 107 Arlen Ness Big Sucker stock head pipe and S&S Grand Nationals. Let's see what we got. Right, forgot to add that the S&S Grand Nationals do have the reducers in it. So this isn't one of the louder motorcycles, but it actually sounds great. Good idle. So idle is, I'll say 76, 77 idle. Okay, let her rip. One more. Max is 98.7. It sounds louder than that.
Yeah.
That's cool. So there you got it, guys. So that was a pretty interesting one. I thought it would be louder than 98 decibels. I really did think it would be louder. Get out of some of his people's way here. But that's not what he wanted. He did not want a loud exhaust. So he got exactly what he wanted. He kept the stock head pipe. For that reason, once you get rid of the stock head pipe in the Cat, it's a much louder boom, a much louder rumble coming out of there. And probably, even with the inserts in his Grand Nationals, he's got the decibel reducers in there. It would have been over 100, and he just doesn't like a loud bike. He wants to know he's riding a Harley, but he doesn't want it super loud. He wants it to settle down while he's riding it so he can hear the radio and enjoy the ride. You know, that's why there's 1,000 different combinations out there. Is eventually you'll find the one that really makes you smile. That's what it's all about.